There are 3 things you can do today that will erase every hard water stain in your house for under $2, and one of them will make sure they never come back. The white crust on your shower tiles, the cloudy film on your glass doors, the rust-colored ring in your toilet, that's not dirt, that's calcium and magnesium, minerals your water picked up underground crystallizing on every wet surface the moment water evaporates. Music. The longer they sit, the harder they bond. Yes, we've all seen the commercial. CLR clear, calcium, lime, and rust. Music. Just spray and watch it dissolve. Great. Here's what the commercial doesn't mention. 2 things. First, the safety data sheet for CLR says it causes serious eye irritation and skin irritation. And if you accidentally mix it with bleach, which sits in half the bathrooms in America, it produces music toxic fumes, a cleaner that can gas you in your own shower. Second, CLR is not safe on natural stone, unsealed grout, marble, or most of the surfaces in a modern bathroom. Their own website says white grout only. So the $12 bottle you bought to save your shower might actually damage it. And 3 weeks after you use it, the scale is back anyway because you never stopped the cause. Now, here's what nobody tells you. Music. The same chemical mechanism that makes CLR work, it's called chelation, exists in a powder that costs $21 for a 5 lb bag. And that bag makes over 75 bottles of cleaner. Music. The powder is citric acid. I'm going to show you exactly how to use it, how to make it smell clean instead of like a chemistry lab. And the one daily habit that means, oh, music, you will never see hard water scale again. Chelation is the reason citric acid works where vinegar fails. Music. When citric acid meets a calcium deposit on your shower glass, its molecular structure wraps around that mineral ion like a claw. 3 binding sites grab it simultaneously, music, and rip it off the surface. The word chelation comes from the Greek chele, meaning claw. Vinegar cannot do this. While the music, white vinegar is 6% acetic acid. It dissolves some scale through a simple acid reaction, but it has 0 chelating ability. If you've tried vinegar on your shower doors and watched it fail, music, you weren't doing it wrong. Vinegar chemically cannot perform the function that citric acid performs. A PhD chemist on the Chemistry Stack Exchange confirmed that citric acid is roughly 50 times more effective at binding and removing mineral deposits than vinegar. Same mechanism as CLR minus the $12 markup, the skin warnings, and the list of surfaces it will ruin. That 5 lb bag is $21. I've put links in the description for Amazon US and Amazon Canada music. And I want to be completely transparent. I get 0 kickback from those. Not affiliated at all. I spent hours sourcing the best food grade option because the wrong kind cheap industrial grade with fillers won't chelate the same way. I did that research, so you don't have to. 1 tablespoon of that powder dissolved in 2 cups of warm water gives you a spray bottle that outperforms CLR on shower glass, faucet heads, toilet bowls, everything. For months-old Buildup that's bonded deep, use 2 tablespoons. Music. Spray it on, walk away for 5 to 10 minutes, come back, wipe with a microfiber cloth. The scale lifts off, no scrubbing. Now, here's what I wasn't expecting. When I first tried this on my own shower stall, which honestly looked like it had freezer burn, white crust on every tile, I'd basically given up on it. I mixed 1 tablespoon with warm water in a dollar store spray bottle, hit every wall, waited 8 minutes, and wiped. The tiles went from chalky white back to their original color in 1 pass. I stood there thinking, this should not have been that easy. But the chemistry is straightforward. The citric acid grabbed every calcium ion off the surface, and the microfiber just collected what fell. Music. The powder itself lasts a minimum of 3 years on your shelf. Some chemists say effectively forever. Citric acid has a pH around 2, which means nothing can grow in it. It doesn't evaporate. It doesn't degrade. It sits in your pantry and waits to make your next bottle, whenever you need one. Now, the smell. Pure citric acid solution smells music like nothing, which works. But if you want your bathroom to actually smell cleaned instead of just neutral, add 5 to 10 drops of lemon essential oil directly into your spray bottle. The oil floats on top for scent and does not interfere with chelation at all. It's purely cosmetic. Lemon essential oil also carries mild antibacterial properties. So you get a small bonus there. I use lemon because it makes the whole bathroom smell like it was music actually cleaned, not just descaled. Lavender works too, if you prefer that. So here's the prevention side, because removal is only half the game. Hard water deposits form when water evaporates and leaves minerals behind. If you remove the water before it evaporates, the minerals never crystallize. That means 1 30-second habit after every shower. Run a squeegee across the glass and tile, $3 squeegee from any hardware store, 30 music seconds. Minerals go down the drain instead of onto your walls. Then, once a week, Spray your citric acid solution on the same surfaces. Wait 5 minutes. Music, wipe. That weekly spray dissolves whatever tiny deposits the squeegee missed. Together, squeegee plus weekly spray, hard water scale never builds past the microscopic stage. You will never again stand in your shower staring at white crust wondering how it got there. It won't get there. Music. The savings are absurd. Hard water costs the average household roughly $800 a year. Music means wasted soap, shortened appliance lifespans, higher energy bills from scale-clogged heating elements, and extra cleaning products. Just the cleaning products line, CLR at $12 a bottle, used every 2 to 3 weeks for your shower alone, runs you about $200 a year on one surface. Music. 1. A 5 lb bag of citric acid makes over 75 bottles at 28 cents each. 75 music weeks of weekly cleaning, that's 1 and 1 to 2 years for $21 total. Over 2 years, you'd spend $600 to over $1,000 on CLR for your shower alone. Music, or $21 on citric acid. The same spray works on every hard water surface in your house. Faucet aerators. Unscrew the cap, soak it in, soak. Your citric acid solution for 15 minutes. Music, the crust dissolves. Toilet bowl, pour half a cup around the rim, let it sit 20 minutes, brush once, flush. Coffee maker, run a cycle with 2 tablespoons dissolved in the water reservoir, then 2 plain water cycles to rinse, and the internal scale that was slowing your brew time clears out. Dishwasher, same method. Every appliance that touches water builds scale inside where you can't see it, and that scale makes heating elements work harder, which costs you money every month on your electricity bill. Here's what most people don't realize about those internal deposits. Music. When scale coats the heating element in your water heater, it acts like insulation, and the element has to run longer and hotter to reach the same temperature. Energy. Star estimates that just a 1/4 inch of scale on a water heater element, music, increases energy consumption by about 40%. 40% of your water heating bill stolen by minerals you could remove with $21 of powder, your coffee maker, dishwasher, washing machine. Same story, smaller scale, all running harder than they should because of buildup you can't see. Your 3-part protocol. 1. Buy a 5 lb bag of food. Grade citric acid. Mix 1 tablespoon per 2 cups warm water. Add 5 to 10 drops of lemon essential oil if you want scent. Spray any hard water surface. Wait 5 to 10 minutes. Wipe. Music. 2. Squeegee your shower glass and tile after every use. 30 seconds. 3. Spray the same surfaces once a week as maintenance so nothing ever builds up past a quick wipe. Total cost, $21 for the bag, $3 for a squeegee, maybe $5 for essential oil if you want it. $29, you will never buy a hard water cleaner again. Links in the description. Music for the US and Canada, 0 kickback. Thanks for watching. Share this if it helped. See you in the next one.